In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload Google Docs to Google Drive directly from within Google Docs itself. Let's imagine that you've just finished working on an important project in Google Docs, and now you want to save your work securely to your Google Drive. It's a straightforward process, but if you're new to the Google ecosystem, it might not be immediately obvious. So let's walk through it together step by step. First, you need to locate the folder icon with an arrow pointing to the right. This icon, named Move, can be found at the top of your Google Docs interface, just to the right of the document's title. Clicking this icon is your first step toward moving your document into Google Drive. Once you click on that, a panel will open showing your Drive's directory. Now you'll see My Drive as the primary option. If you're familiar with how Google Drive organizes files, you might already have a special folder where you want to save this document. Selecting My Drive will allow you to navigate through your existing folders. Simply browse to the folder where you'd like to house this document. For those of you who haven't set up a specific folder yet, don't worry, it's all manageable right from this menu. To create a new folder, look to the bottom of the panel where you'll find an icon resembling a folder with a plus sign illustrating New Folder. Click on this icon and type in your desired folder name. Be creative or straightforward with your folder naming. Remember, the goal is making it easy to find your document later on. Once your new folder is named and created, select it. The final step is as easy as it sounds. Simply click on the Move button. This will transfer your Google Docs project into the folder within your Google Drive. That's it. You've successfully uploaded your Google Docs directly into Google Drive, ensuring that your work is saved and easily accessible from any device with Google Drive access. And there you have it. With these simple steps, your project is safely stored in the cloud, allowing you the flexibility and peace of mind to access it whenever you need. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below if you have any questions, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials like this one. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.